1.4 is applying addition and subtraction of integers. What I'd like you to remember here is that this is multi-step, so you need to do more than one thing at a time. This example is interesting. There's some words here below, tells you that you're going negative, down, and then the word up. Let me make this just a bit smaller. Up, down. So below is negative, down is negative, but up is positive. So looking at this example, 5 and 12 are combined, and then you take to get 17, and then you do different signs subtract. So in this problem, you're doing same signs add and keep. You're combining two negatives, and then you're putting the negative and the positive together, doing different signs subtract. So let's look at this example on the bottom. 40 feet below. Anna's in a cave. So here is the cave, and here's Anna, and she's 40 feet below. So that's minus 40. She descends, meaning she goes down again, 13 feet. She goes down 13, and then she ascends, meaning going up, 18 feet. So I would like to combine my negatives, and then 40 plus 13 is 53, but keep it negative, and then plus 18. So now all I need to do is subtract. 53 minus 18. Carry the 1 4, get a 13 here. 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, but keep it negative. So find her new position relative to the cave entrance. She's at negative 35 feet. Applying properties to solve problems. Irene has a checking account. She writes a check. So writing a check is negative. Let's negative. Write a check. Deposits. Deposits is positive. Okay? And then she writes another check for 40. So let's write the negatives over here. She's got negative 160. And then she got negative 40. And then she's got positive 125. So combine the negatives. 160 plus 40 is negative 200. So negative 200 plus 125. Looks like she's going to be down 75. Does that fit what they have here? Yes. Describe a different way to find the change in Irene's account. You could write the numbers differently. You could go 125 minus 160 minus 40. Okay, clear this off and look at this problem. Alex wrote a check. Remember, writing a check is negative for 35 and 40. 45. He also made a deposit in his checking account of 180. Remember, deposit is a positive thing. Deposit is good. $180. Combine your negatives. So 35, 45, 0, 1, looks like 80. So we've got negative 80 plus 180. Different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So it looks like $100 is the overall change to her account. $100 increase. Good. Comparing values of expressions. So gain. Positive is gain. The Tigers gain 10 yards. Okay, so they lose 12. Gain 14. Alright, so put the losses over here, minus 12. Gain 5. Lose 8. Gain 14. I'm going to combine my positives. That's 19. 19 is positive, and combine these, and that's 20, and that's negative. So 19 plus negative 20 equals, negative 1. Sadness. Nope. Put a tear there also. Jim and Carla are scuba diving. Scuba diving is underwater. Here's a nice picture. There's the waves. There's Jim and Carla. And hair's going in the water. Okay, Jim started out his dive 10 feet below the surface. So Jim is at minus 10. He's actually right here. And then he descends 18. Descend is negative. Then he rose 5. So here he was, came down here. And then he went up 5. Then descended 12 more. Okay, so you've got a lot of negative there. Let's combine the negative. Negative, negative, negative. And then this total here is positive. 10 plus 18 is 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. So Jim went down 40 plus 5. So he's minus 35, and that's Jim. Now let's look at Carla. Carla, you gotta come swim over on this other side. So here she is. And her hair is super pretty. Carla descended 20. Descend is down. She goes down 20. Rose 5. Descended another 18. When she rested, which person rested at a greater depth? So let's combine our negatives. Combine highlighter. Combine that. So that's minus 38. So Carla was at minus 33. Jim, minus 35. Carla, minus 33.